Hey guys, so today I have a little special thing I made, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. It's not gonna take long, so yeah. So this is what I did. Well, I did it yesterday, and I did it off camera because I didn't think it was actually gonna work. So all I did was like get a triple A battery compartment right here. I just like melted the metal a little bit so it could fit a little, and yeah, it gave it a 3 volt. And since I didn't have any connectors, I couldn't connect it, so yeah, but the wire is holding it pretty tight, so yeah. Then the train, this is supposed to be a chain, and from the other side the fiber is broken. And I actually got this chain on one of my other videos where I unboxed the Trackmaster Hit Toys 2006 Henry, but this was the other train that came with it, and I was actually planning to use this for repair parts, but then I thought, why not use it to make a little custom? So sure, it doesn't have James's face, sadly, but yeah, this is how fast it actually goes. Pretty fast for 3 volts. So yeah guys, I'm actually just let it run, like give it a little run,